3D printed clamps seem like they would need some pretty strong nylon or even carbon fiber filament to do the job, but what about standard PLA? Is it strong enough? This week's model that's climbing the top trending list will answer that question for us. There's a few parts for this model and here's how I printed them. Black PLA for the spring, the pin and the lever. Main handles I printed in bone matte PLA, and the tips of the clamps I did in a grey TPU just so they're a little flexible and soft. Recommended settings from the author, Lobo CNC, is 5 perimeters and 30% fill, which makes sense, you want this to be as strong as possible. The assembly is straightforward if you do it in the right order. Spring first, then the lever in place, and then the handles go together, making sure the lever is in the right position. It can be a little bit tricky to line up. Then you just tap in the pin. There's a flat spot on that pin, so make sure it's in the right orientation. It can be a little bit hard to see. The side that you put it in is completely round and the flat hole is on the opposite side. After assembly you can try it out. Squeeze the clamp, the spring puts the lever forward a little so that it catches and stops the clamp opening. Squeeze the lever and it releases easy. So as Lobo CNC says, it's for light loads. I definitely wouldn't be hanging the house off it, but they work well. As usual, I like to print things small and I wanted to see how these worked at half size. They work, but with it this small, the lever action doesn't hold as well as the larger one. It holds a light load, but if you push the clamp apart, it will slip without needing to release the lever. You can see the pinch on my finger though, it definitely holds. There's definitely situations where this model with its light pressure would come in handy. For really strong situations, I'd still go with a screw down style of clamp. That's it, it's a short one for this week, but don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. We've almost hit 1,000 subscribers, which will hopefully sound small in a year or two when we look back at this video. If you want to support the channel, hit the playlist link in the description or at the end of this video and help us to get our watch hours up. Hopefully it'll be enough soon to get us into the YouTube partner program and I can stop asking. We'll see you next week.